Hello students, we do periodic classification. Please subscribe my channel. All the best. God bless you. Very important session we are doing. Electronic configuration, atomic number 113, atomic number. So in which group, in which period belong, write down the electronic configuration. So it is 113 to 118, there are p block elements, and 13 is group 13, you can say group 13, group 14, group 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 13 means group 13. So here it means it is having S2P1 configuration, and since it is the last member of the group 13, last member of group 13. Okay, so what we have to do, it is in 7s2 7p1. So at that time we have to write down 86, 5f14. This is fixed over here, and 6d10, this is also fixed for this 7th period. Now 7s2 7p1, because 6d series completely filled, 5f series completely filled, because it is in 7th period. Okay, after filling 5f 14 6d10, then only 7s2 7p1 is filled. So this will goes to everywhere. Okay, here it will be 7s2 7p2 7p3 7p4 7p5 7p6. Okay, so how easy it is, you write on from here to here, and then 7s2 7p1, only p1 is changing, p2 p3 p4 p5 p6 p7 p8, and rest will remain the same. So in this way you can complete it. IPEC name electronic configuration of atomic number 113 to 118, right? 6 elements are there. Now I will give name of them: nihonium, anantrium, ananquadium, ananpentium. This was previously they have denoted when these were not discovered. So but sometimes they are asking this also: ananseptium, ananoctium, UUO, UUS, UUS, hexium. For hexium it is H, and for septium it is S, septium, and UUP for this. Okay, and here I have given these this is very difficult to remember. So here no flower, that is niche flower or niche flower, flare nihonium, flareovium. If you know the symbol, then only it's okay. And then moscovium, MC, mossy love, ten sign, oh God, mossy love, ten sign, oh God. This is organization कर सकते हो, organization means 118. This is noble gas configuration. Okay, so this is noble gas configuration. This is group 17, halogen group. So here massy love, 10 sign, organization.